guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Sunday and I am filming a how-to video. This is the first time I'm trying it. I guess it's a trying out video. So basically, I want to try out this whole soap brow thing that I've been seeing around. I know that a lot of girls on Instagram do it and they are really, really good at it. As you can see, my brows are basically non-existent. I've done a really basic face. I've just left my brows out, which is super strange for me because usually I do my brows first. So this feels really strange and I look like an alien, and this brow looks so bad. Like, there's literally no hair. If you don't know what I'm talking about, girls have been doing this soap brow thing, and basically you use a bar of soap. It needs to be kind of transparent. The only one that I could find in the store near me was these this Pears one. It's just in a box like that. I'm very keen to try this. I did try this once before, but I don't think I gave it a good go, to be honest. To do this, I'm going to use the soap, obviously. I'm going to use one of these spoolies. I'm not sure which one just yet. You need to wet the soap a little bit. So to do that, I'm going to use my MAC Fix Plus, and then you basically wait for it to dry and then do your brows however. I want to try this brow look that I see all the time on Gigi Hadid. See how her brows are super natural, like really thick, but also you can really see those singular brush strokes rather than what I'm used to, which is like the block Instagram brows. So I really want to try this out and see if I like it, because I'm not sure that I'm really keen on the super blocky Instagram brows anymore. Let's just dive right in. I'm going to just spray a bit of the Fix Plus on here. Try this small spoolie. And so basically you I just sprayed it all on myself. And we're just gonna go right in. I really want them to like lay down flat. So, I mean, already look at the difference between this one and this one. This one is just far more elevated and defined. I actually really like how that looks. They look a lot more bushy, even though I literally have like 0 brow hairs. And then we basically just want to wait for them to dry. So already I feel like that is a pretty vast improvement. I just need to wait for them to dry now before I do anything else. Once that dries, I'm going to use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow, and this one is in the shade Ebony. Obviously my hair is quite dark compared to my brow hair. So I just pick up some product in here, and then I always, as you can see by the inside of my cap, I just swipe the brush back and forward just so that there's no chunky bits on my brush. Let's give this a go. I don't know if it's looking exactly how I'd like it. This pomade is actually getting a little bit on the older side, and I feel like I should probably replace it soon. I don't know if I like that, to be honest. I feel like I much prefer it natural. I might try it with a different product and see what kind of, if we can get a different kind of look. I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills powder this time, and again it's in Ebony, so it should be the same color. Honestly, I think I like this one much better. This one just looks super dark. I'm going to get a makeup wipe and do this one again, except with this technique. So that's good to see a before and after. That is completely natural. And this is after I've done the soap brow. Look how much of a difference that made. Literally just from pushing them up, getting them groomed properly, and then just using the tiniest bit of brow powder. I love that. So guys, that is the finished brow look. I really, really love this technique for brows. I think I'm actually going to start doing this from now on. It just looks so much more natural, way less blocky and stark. I think it looks a lot nicer on me. I am so excited that this worked out. The last time I tried this, it looked like utter crap because I never let the soap dry first. I would just go straight in with a product and it went all smudged and gross. I hope you guys give this a try as well, because for someone like me who has like no brow hair, I feel like this is such a good technique to use, because literally that was like barely any product at all. And I look like I have really natural, full brows. So, I hope you guys like this video. Do like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!